Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session we will discuss how to send email by using SMTP server. So this is the example we are going to discuss in today's session. So we are creating one HTML table here. Here we are taking one label for address, and this is the text box to enter the to address, and subject will be entered by the user. Body has to enter user here. Whenever user clicks on send mail, so we have to validate these things. So to address is mandatory, subject and body is mandatory. If they are not entered any data means we have to validate like this. If everything entered, then whenever user clicks on send mail, we have to send the mail and we have to display this message. Okay. So for this example, I am using Microsoft Visual Studio and I am using ASP.NET and C# for this. These are all the implementation steps we have to do. So we have to create one new web project, and in that we will create one web form and we will design the template for sending mail. Next step what we have to do is we have to configure SMTP server settings in web.config. We are not entering manually, so we will configure in web.config. Whenever if there is any change also, maintenance will be very easy, so that's why we are saving in web.config. From there we will read the SMTP server settings. Okay, then we have to create a function to send mail. We have to call that function on button click event to send mail. So we will open Visual Studio. For this example I am using Visual Studio 2013. Click on file, new project. So under Visual C# I am selecting web. Under web I am selecting Visual Studio 2012. So I am selecting empty web application. I am giving my project name as send mail by SMTP. Click on OK. So our project has been created here. Right click on the project, click on add. We have to create one new web form here. Click on new item. So I am creating one web form here. I am naming it as send mail. Click on add. So our web form has been created. To make things fast, design part already I kept ready. I am copy pasting this one. So I will explain you entire things. What we are doing is we are giving page title as send email by using SMTP server, and we are creating one table. This is the table header text, and then we created one table row for to address. So we gave label text as to address, and we are taking one text box for to address, and then we are taking one label for subject, then text box for subject. Then this is the body label, so we gave as body. Then this is the text box to read the body. Okay, finally what we are taking is we are taking one button here, and we are giving button label as send mail, and whenever user clicks on that button, so we are calling one click event btn send mail underscore click. Here we are going to call our send mail function. Finally in footer row we are taking one label to display the message. Okay, this is our design. Okay, then next step what we have to do is we have to configure SMTP server settings in web.config. So this is very important. Click on our web config, double click. Here we need system.net. I want mail settings here. I'm going to configure SMTP. SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So network, I have to provide host name here. I'm going to use smtp.gmail. I'm using Gmail SMTP here for this example. If you want any other SMTP also, you can provide the details. Port number will be 587. You have to provide your username and password, which is used for Gmail. Username. So you have to provide this name. Password, you have to provide your Gmail password here. We have to enable SSL because Gmail is using HTTPS secure layer. That's why we have to use HTTPS. If you are using HTTP, then you no need to enable this SSL here. Okay, we configured our SMTP server settings here. Then we have to go to code behind of this design part. Click on view code. what we have to do is we have to create one function to send mail. Here we have to create one button click event here. So whenever user clicks on btn send, then we have to call one function. I am creating as send. So this function we have to call here. So I am passing here from address. I am creating one local variable and I am assigning my email ID here. So I am passing my Gmail ID and we will get it. To address will be we are getting from our text box txt to address dot text dot trim. So always whenever you are reading text data from the text box, mention trim, so that if there is any extra spaces also it will not consider. Okay, then I need subject I'm getting from txt subject. Here also I'm using trim. Finally we need body, so we will get it from txt body. Here we have to validate the data whether user is entered to address subject body. So we have to validate here if string dot is null or empty, that is to address. So then I have to display message as please enter to address, because to address is mandatory to send mail. I want to change label color system dot drawing dot color dot red. I'm making as red here. Else if, so I'll copy from here. So we have to validate subject also. If subject is empty, then we have to display as please enter the subject. So I'm copying again this one. Then we have to validate body. If it is not entered, then we have to display like please enter the mail content. Also we can focus here txt to address dot focus, so that it will focus into this text box. Here I want to focus in subject. Here if it is body is not entered, it will be focused in body text box. Suppose if user is entered to address subject and body, that means all three statements will be false. That time it will comes to else statement. So here we have to send the mail. Here what I am doing is using, I have to send mail here. So mail message equal to new mail message. To send mail we need from address and to address. Already here we assigned the local variables called from address to address, so we are assigning the values here. Now we have to assign the subject. So subject is stored in one local variable and we have to assign the body here. Then whether the content is HTML or not, we have to assign that one, because we are sending plain text. If you are using any HTML content, then you have to make it as true here. Then I have to initialize SMTP client here to send the mail. So new SMTP client. So all the SMTP settings will be reading from web.config. Now we have to send the mail. So assign the mail message here. Then we have to display message mail sent successfully. So this message we are going to display to the user. So finally what we have to do is, if there is any error in this while sending mail, we have to display this one. For that, what I am doing is select entire code, keep it in try catch block. For that, click on surround with try catch block. So if there is any exception, we have to display here. So I'm taking this label details. Here we have to display exception message, ex.message. So if there is any error while sending the mail, so it will display in the label here. Okay. So once mail is sent, I want to clear all the controls, like to address text box I want to clear, subject I want to clear, and body also I want to clear. For that, I am creating one function here to clear all the form controls. So here I want to clear to address. I am making as empty. We need few more, like subject I want, so I'm clearing subject. Then body content also I'm clearing once mail is sent. Then message. Before showing this confirmation message, I want to call this clear form function. Also, whenever page loads at the first time, if it is not post back, I want to clear all the form controls. Build the application now. Now run the application. First, without entering any details, we are trying to send mail, so it should validate all the text boxes here. Click on send mail. It is asking to enter to address and it is focusing in two text box. So I am entering here my to address. I am trying to validate subject, so it is asking to enter subject. Finally, without entering body, I am trying to send the mail. It is asking to enter the mail content. So I am entering here. So now try to click on send mail, because all three conditions are true now. So it is trying to send mail. While sending mail, it is showing some SMTP authentication error. For this, Gmail is blocking this one. For this, what you have to do is just get into Gmail account, click on your account, manage your Google accounts, click on security. Here Google is blocking, so less secure app access, it should be enabled. Then only you can send mail by using SMTP, Gmail SMTP. For that, I am enabling this one. So Google is not suggesting to enable this one. Once you tested, you can disable this secure apps on options. Just make it off here again. Okay. So now we will try to send the mail. Click on send mail. So mail sent successfully. We will check in our inbox here. So welcome to my channel. So we received the mail successfully. So like this you can do it. So I am disabling again this one, because Google is not suggesting to enable this option. That's why I disabled again. For testing purpose you can use this one. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel, and I am sharing source code in my description. You can download for your reference purpose. Thanks for watching my video.